The ISDECIMAL string function returns a true if all characters in a string are decimal characters. If not, it will return a false. Decimal numbers will have a range of 0 to 9. So let's take a string 1, 2, 3, 4 which contains all decimal numbers, and if we apply the ISDECIMAL string function and execute our code, it will return a true. If we provide a character in the string and apply the ISDECIMAL string function, it will return a false. One more example I would like to provide. Say the Unicode /U00B2. If we execute this, you will see that it denotes the superscript 2. If we apply the ISDECIMAL string function on this superscript 2, it will return a false as it does not range between 0 to 9. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.